Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get these special Maltese food recipes in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a collaborations with Maltese, and now we can unlock new exclusive food recipes. First, just tap on the globe icon, this one, and then next just go to the puppy gacha machine, this one, and then just tap on exchange store like this, and then just scroll down and you will uh, see the food recipe like this, several food recipe. You can get 5 food recipe, and to buy these recipes you will need Maltese tokens like this. And if you don't know how to get this token yet, just don't worry, I have already made a tutorial for that, and you can just check the link in the descriptions below to watch the tutorial. And once you have enough tokens, you can just go ahead and buy any recipe directly from this exchange store. Just buy the recipe that you want like this. And okay, that's it. Now you can just start cooking special Maltese dishes in your Heartopia game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!